Genevieve Gozum. Of course, with our earth tones and neutral colors, which is our favorite for this year. Yung mga chocolate mousse, beiges, ayan. Gutom na naman ako.
And ba natin, SG is mixing and matching with neutrals?
Yes. So, ito kasi, yung mga browns, usually, we don't really consider like a neutral color. A neutral color is black, white, and gray. But since ang favorite natin talaga is itong mga earth tones, parang kaya natin siyang i-partner kahit saan. So, itong mga ating fashioneers yan, please put in our comment section where you are para alam natin kung saan tayo nagsa-styling ngayong gabi na to. And then, hindi ko kasi mapalampas itong linggo na to without doing this mixing and matching. Mixing and matching talaga, di ba? Halo-halo dito sa Genevieve Gozum. And I'm happy to say, fashioneers, itong aking top na asymmetrical top, it's now back in stock because our fashioneers loved it so much because it's very figure-friendly. And of course, fashion-y, very stylish, diba? So, itong ating top na to, you can wear it on a regular day. In fact, I know somebody who's gonna be wearing this tonight on her date, diba? Pakita ng shoulder. So, ayan mga fashioneers, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Sabi ko nga, hindi ako makalipas ng isang linggo na hindi ako nag-mix and match with you guys because you are my favorite people, diba? Yung mga fashion... People! Ang ating mga fashioneers. And then kasi dito, nung nandito ako sa studio, bigla silang nag-abot sa akin ng mga items na sobrang natuwa ako. Kaya I said, no, hindi tayo matatapos today because I have to share all of these new items with our fashioneers. And starting off with our asymmetrical blouse. Itong ating asymmetrical blouse, naging favorite ng ating fashioneers because it's figure-friendly. It can fit from medium size up to double XL. So, pag sinabi natin double XL, yan, mga 42-inch bust size, kasyang-kasya. And then, alam nyo naman, uso din yung mga paganyan, di ba? Pa-drop na neckline. And of course, pakita ng ating shoulder. And ang best news dito sa ating blouse na to, ang original price niya is 750 pesos, but now it's only 599.95, which you can already try in all our Genevieve Gozum stores. And then, for our fashioneers na medyo malayo, don't worry, you can still avail itong ating mga blouse na to in our Genevieve Gozum online store. And then, ito pa ang mas maganda, meron tayong colors available because before, I only showed you 2 colors, but now we have 4 colors. We have the beige, akin na, Big Bossy. Wow, kompleto pala kami dito. Gusto ko pagka ganito, complete kami.
Yan yung first 2 colors, beige and black.
Beige and black.
And white.
And white.
Wala black before.
Before, sa store lang yung, before, I only showed them the beige and the white before. So, ngayon, meron tayong beige, black, and we have itong ating olive green, and the sky blue. So, sabi nga ni Direk, oh, I think I need this. It's not a want, it's a need. Itong ating blouse na to. And this is available in Genevieve Gozum store. So, please do come and visit our stores, lalong-lalo na in SM North EDSA because M North EDSA hanggang bukas. Parang feeling ko kasi Friday ngayon, diba? Kasi na-miss ko kayo masyado nung Wednesday. Parang anong connection nun? But anyway, the Great Northern Sale is happening until tomorrow. So our Genevieve Gozum SM North EDSA, they are offering 20% off on our regular items, 1,000 and up. Tama ba yun, Big Bossing? Yes. So, kino-confirm ko lang kasi siya yung nag-a-approve niya.
And sa 70%.
Yun nga. So, ako bukas siguro nandun ako because marami silang hawak na mga items that are up to 70% off. So, yan yung mga gusto nyong makakuha ng mga good deals. And then yung mga gusto nyong i-up yung wardrobe nyo, di ba? Add a few pieces here and there. And then makaka-create na kayo ng maraming mga looks. That's why we like itong mga items natin because it's always a mix and match. So, i-recap ko lang. Itong ating asymmetrical top, actually, ang pangalan niya is Lori. So, fashioneers, meet Lori. Ito yung ating top na to. Original price is 750 pesos, but now it's only 599.95. And then, mapunta naman ako
I think
dito.
maraming late joiners.
Bigla akong gumala.
Then you can show them the colors. Since binigay mo na yung price.
Yes, bigay ko yung price. Pero ayusin ko tong paghang. Baka akala nila cowl neck siya. So, this is actually a boat neck na you can wear. Mamaya, i-move ko tong ating neckline because you can drop it on the left shoulder, drop it on the right shoulder, or if you want this particular sleeve on the left side, it's also possible kasi wala siyang front and back. So, whichever is your preference. Ayan, nahulog na. So, ito yung ating colors for our asymmetrical top. So, we have the olive green. Pero yung pagka-green niya direct, hindi siya yung super green, di ba? I think it has a little bit of gray na shade.
Muted green. Para hindi sila
Ayun, muted green. So, unsaturated. And then we have the baby blue color. Tapos meron tayong black. And our neutral color na beige color, di ba? Yan ang itong mga earth tones na favorite natin ngayon this year, fashion year. So, itong mga ito available in our Genevieve Gosm stores. And then, pinartner ko siya ngayon with our pants na may side stripe. You know, I love pants na side stripe. Kahit anong stripe yan, go sa wardrobe ko yan. And then, ang maganda dito sa ating side stripe na to, you can see nagsisplit siya. So, start siya in one stripe, magsisplit, and then, parang, it creates that flap, Tapos, meron siyang X dito. Para yung connection niya, hindi yan mapupunit or hindi siya matatastas. And then, ang maganda dito sa ating pants na to, it's actually a straight leg. So, usually we have a wide leg, but now we have a straight leg. And this pants is only $999.95. And I just realized, pwede ko siyang suotin sa office,
Pwede.
Tapos pwede ko rin siyang pagsayaw.
Tatawa na kayo na TQ. SG, meron silang tanong, paano daw yung multi-ways to wear itong natin?
Thank you for reminding me, diba? So, sobrang excitement ko, nakakalimutan ko. So, the usual way to wear itong ating boat neck na to, na kasi usong-uso yung nagpapakita ng isang shoulder, of course, we will drop it on one shoulder. So, fashioneers, you have the option of dropping it on the left shoulder with this garterized side, or pwede nyo i-drop dito sa merong parang extended sleeve side. So, ayusin lang natin siya na ganyan. Pwede rin siyang ganun, di ba? Kasi nga asymmetrical siya. Then, pero pag habang nasa office kayo, coveran niyo muna yung shoulders ninyo. Ayan. Ating asymmetrical top. And perfect siya to wear as an everyday top or as a dressed up top. So, you can wear your pearl necklace tapos go na kayo. Since it's the weekend, you can enjoy the night away with this asymmetrical top. And then, pinartner ko siya ngayon with our pants na may side stripe. So, itong ating pants na to, this is a straight leg cut. So, hindi po siya yung ating usual wide leg. So, it's a new silhouette for us with a straight leg. And it's only $999.95. And ang ating waistband is elastic. Ito, tinago ko lang itong ating drawstring, which is real. So, hindi po siya design element. You can make it tighter or make it looser. Wow, parang akong flight attendant. Just pull the belt. So, yun ang ating drawstring pants. And I think one size lang itong ating pants na to because the waist is elastic and the legs is very comfortable. And I know the next question is how many colors do you have? So, we have 3 colors available. Itong suot ko is the chocolate brown with the tan stripe. Tapos we have the tan with the white stripe. Ayan, ang ganda. And then we have itong napakagandang army green with the black stripe. I think I need all 3 colors in my wardrobe. And kasya siya hanggang XL. Itong ating, ayan, sinukat ng ating model and then kinonfirm niya. Ito yung maganda sa studio, di ba? May taga-sukat pa ng to confirm the size na kasyang-kasya dito sa ating pants na to. And if you see, meron siyang metal aglets. Sabi ko metal thingies na.
Alam mo ba, tinanong yan SG sa isang trivia contest na na-attendan ko. Of course, ang tawag dyan sa ano na yan,
yes.
That metal part.
Oo. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo, fashioneer, make sure you remember, kasi baka mamaya magpa-contest ako. Ang tawag dito sa dulo na itong ating shoestring are aglets, those metal and plastic things. Ayan. So, ito yung ating mga drawstring ngayon na totoong-totoo na nag-work ang ating drawstring. And one thing I like about our pants is itong X na detail. Na hindi kayo mag-worry na matatastas itong pagkadugtong ng ating stripes. And then, we just didn't stop with one stripes, diba? We added that design element na ni-split namin siya into.
So, recap daw ulit ng price and colors ng pants.
So, itong ating pants na to, it's only 9. We have itong ating chocolate brown with the tan stripe. Then we have the tan with the white stripe. And we have the army green with the black stripe. And in fact, itong pants na to, you can wear it in the office and then you can go dancing after. Diba? Depende na yan sa outfit nyo, fashioneers. And sa mga fashioneers na mahilig mag-shorts like Big Bossing, don't worry kasi meron tayong
shorts version.
Ito, I also need this in my closet.
Itong shorts na to, SG, hindi siya super igsi. Baka akalain nila.
Ano siya? Sexy. Yung length ng urban shorts.
Siguro natin mong suotin with the same color para makita nila yung difference. Oo. Habang pinapakita niyo direct.
Sige, mag-change ako with the same color para makita niyo yung difference. Then, papakita ni direct yung detail ng aking top. Because I know itong ating asymmetrical top, you really love it.
Bago sila maubusan ng yung colors, sa ating mga medyo na late, ito yung close-up ng tela ng ating blouse na suot ni SG. Ito so nito in store kasi it's so flattering sa iba-ibang body shape. Tsaka hindi mahirap i-tear mo. Marami pang pwedeng PTA to weekend brunch. So ito yung kanyang very, very dusty blue. So, it looks a little bit gray on cam, pero very, very light blue po siya. Ito yung color 1. Yung suot ni SG is the almond beige. Ito yung muted green. So, mas muted siya ng konti than a army green. So, it looks a little gray on camera, pero ano po siya, muted green. Ako feeling ko yan ang kukunin kong color.
O kanina nung pumasok ka ng studio, yan yung na-attract nung mata mo.
Tapos syempre, hindi ko palalampasin ang basic black dahil kailangan natin yan in our life. Kung meron kang nagmamadaling event, wala kang maisip, basic black.
Uy, relax na ako. I'm ready for the weekend.
Kaya ka mag-hop.
Talagang gano'n.
Hop into the weekend.
Hop into the weekend. So, ito yung ating short version. Yung sinasabi nga ni Direk, hindi siya maigsing shorts. It's actually the length of urban shorts, so it's in between the thigh. And then, same din po sa ating pants. Elastic ang ating waistband. And then, the drawstring. Ito, tinago ko lang yung drawstring. Itong ating blouse na to. The drawstring of the shorts actually works. And similar with the pants as well, meron pa, hindi lang basta-basta yan matatastas. Then, itong ating shorts, it also comes, picture pala. It also comes in 3 different colors. Itong suot ko is the chocolate brown with the tan stripe. And then, we also have the tan with the white stripe. And then, we also have the olive green, hunter green with the black stripe. So, magkano naman tong ating shorts? If yung ating pants is 999.95, itong ating shorts is only 599.95. And I think this is one of the very good deals that you can have here in Genevieve Gozum because yung ating tela, makapal siya. So you don't have to worry what kind of underwear that you're wearing. Secure na secure kayo. And hindi kayo makikitaan when you wear itong ating shorts or itong ating
pants. So, pwede mo
pants.
hawakan yung pants. Amin na yung dalawang shorts. So, para makita nila.
Ito yung difference niya. Parang gano'n yung difference niya.
So,
Ang ganda, sulit to. Alam mo ako, I will probably get pants and shorts. Don't ask me which of them will be mine. So,
sa green, for their comparison.
para ma-compare nyo lang Fashioneer. So, we have the pants, and then for the shorts, it's $599.95. While we also have our neutral earth tone, itong ating tan with the white stripe. Then lahat po ito, the drawstrings of the waistband is all working drawstring, and then elastic po yung ating waist. So it can fit, I think, from kahit 32, 33 inches ang waistline, kasyang-kasya dito sa ating pants. And just to remind our fashioneers, ang legs ng ating pants is a straight leg. So that's a new silhouette for us because normally we have the wide leg, but now we have the straight leg. Then we have the side stripes na naghihiwalay with the bar tack na X just to keep everything nice and secure. And then, meron pa tayong Ayan, so mapunta tayo dito sa aking para akong si Vanna White. Itong ating rack. Kasi diba, if you notice, uso-uso yung mga pleated skirt. So whether you're having a pleated dress like this, tube dress, tapos meron today, ang susuotin ko is the pleated dress na tube, but it has the transparent bra or just wear it as a tube. Kayang-kaya i-hold nitong ating dress even without the strap because our fabric is ultra stretch denim. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo, very stretchable itong ating denim na to. So, magkano ba itong ating dress na to? So, this is 1,500 pesos but it has a discount. So, now it's only 1,199.95 and it has two sizes. Itong hawak ko po is the small size, and then we have the medium size as well. Ay, medium size pala itong hawak ko. So, ito yung itatry ko. But, it's also available in the small size. So, bakit small and medium? Because it's ultra stretch. Itong ating fabric. Then, habang nag-change ako, papakita ni direct yung detail nitong ating parang varsity sweater that you can wear with our tube dress with the pleated skirt.
So, then nakasulat dito is medium. So, ibig sabihin ba nito meron siyang size?
Ayun, XL yung nandun sa rack.
So, ito yung ating close-up. Very, very retro varsity style niya. $4.99 for the size medium. Ang ganda yun. Tusok na tusok.
Yung XL.
Okay. So, ito siya. Ito yung ating rib fabric. And same siya na stripe rib. Same din ang detail sa kanyang mangga. So, lahat po siya is very tied together yung look. So, for very varsity looks, ayan yung ating beige color. And this is the blue. So, ito, ang ganda ng pagka-blue niya. Para siyang denim blue. Ito ulit yung yung close-up ng pagka-V. $499.95 for the medium. And same price din pala yung ating XL.
Oo, same lang.
Sa naman, sa ating shorts, papakita ko yung close-up detail no sinasabi mo, side stripe. Doon sa mga nahuli, na fashioneers natin, ito yung detail ng shorts natin na suot ni SG. So, dito sa top ng ating separation dito, nilagyan nila nitong tinatawag nating bar tack. So, hindi matatastas to. Reinforced po siya for strength. Para siya sa mga maong. And don't forget, meron siyang pocket, working drawstring. Wow.
And I love trivia.
Isa nga yun sa mga naitanong. So,
yes, so yan, tandaan natin, fashioneer. So tayo, since we're fashion experts, diba? So we should know what it's called. So ito yung ating ultra stretch tube dress with the pleated skirt. Itong ating ultra stretch tube dress with the pleated skirt, we have two sizes available. We have the small size and the medium size. Ang suot ko ngayon is the medium size, pero I think it's a little Small.
So SG, itong
Small lang
ating
ako.
stretchable denim, bigyan natin sila ng idea daw ng length para malaman nila kung gaano siya kahaba.
Ayun, ito, mas malaki. Hindi ko na kailangan ng salamin. So, itong ating dress, it's 23 inches long
So
from
it's not
here.
short kasi
Oo.
for your height reference.
From
5'8" ka kasi.
Yes. So, just for your reference, fashioneers, I'm 5'8". So, hanggang dito siya, may mid-thigh. Long, itong ating dress na to. Ang hawak ko is also medium size. So, mali pala yung nabigay nila sa akin. We thought it was 2 sizes, but now it's only, original price is 1,500 pesos, but now it's only 1,199.95. And perfect match siya dito sa ating varsity sweater. Ang bigay ko muna to sa'yo.
Yung varsity sweater na suotin mo is the XL kasi maraming shoulder niya.
Oo, kasi ito, yan, XL yan.
Sa kaka-exercise.
Sa kaka-exercise. So, usually, I would go for the bigger size. So, anong mas gusto nyo? The beige or the blue? Blue and blue. Beige na lang, di ba? Para meron tayong combination na beige and blue. Alam mo, lakas maka-Ivy League na to, ha?
Yung V-neck sweater.
Oo.
Ang maganda dyan sa ating sweater, it is the same material as our blouses. So, they can actually use it as a blouse as well as a layering piece. Tsaka hindi siya sobrang init.
Ayan, oo. Diba?
Ang ganda. Pwede kayo mag-tennis.
Pickleball.
Pickleball. Talagang ganun-ganun.
Pickleball.
Yung dalawa.
Hindi pa.
So, hindi pa. But we do have the paddles, di ba? So, yun ang gagawin natin bukas.
Matagal na siyang nakahindi.
Pickleball, di ba? So, ito, pinartner ko lang siya. So, with our varsity sweater, kasi nga medyo malamig ngayon, fashioneers. And one thing I like about this varsity sweater, itong V-neck, pagka V-neck niya. Itong pagka V-neck niya, as you can see, it could be like a deep V. So, option, you can just wear it on its own. But, if you want to wear it as a sweater, pwedeng-pwede itong ating varsity V-neck shirt na to. And it has a long sleeves. Ang maganda sa kanya, yung tela niya, manipis lang. Perfect for layering for our weather. So, I love good layering. Alam niyo naman na gustong-gusto nating imitate ang mga 4 seasons layering. But how do we interpret that in our Philippine weather? Ito, dapat maninipis lang, di ba? So, kahit layer tayo ng layer, hindi siya masyadong mainit as we layer. And this varsity sweater is only $499.95. 2 sizes available. We have the medium size and the XL size. For the colors, we have 2 colors. We have the blue and the beige. So, ito yung ating beige na medium size, just for size reference. So, ito, I could still wear the medium size, pero mas fitted siya, especially here on the shoulder. That's why I chose to wear the XL size para ang peg ko ngayon is just relaxed. And available na po ito in all our Genevieve Gozum stores and in our online store. So I think if you go to SM North EDSA, baka makita nyo na to.
So, ano yung dress mo sa likod?
Surprise! Ito yung isang style.
Parang parachute ba yung tela niyan, SG?
Oo. Hala, nadumihan nila.
Bago ka mag-move on.
Okay. So,
Bago ka mag-move on, SG, i-recap mo daw yung price ng tube dress na suot mo.
yes. Yung price ng aking tube dress. So, itong aking tube dress, ito pala yung suot ko sa ilalim. So, it's actually a dress. Ang original price is 1,500 pesos, but it has a discount. So, ngayon po, it's only 1,199.95, and it comes with a transparent bra strap. Para for our fashioneers who want to feel more secure, you can attach the bra strap here, dito sa mga loops inside, or if you want, you can just wear it on its own. It will also hold because it's ultra stretch. While itong aking varsity sweater na suot, we have 2 sizes available, medium L size, only for $499.95. So, pareho po yung size ng medium and XL. Itong bluish color na denim.
So, kung ayaw mo yung varsity, you you can opt to wear the
Alin?
vest on top of the dress.
Oh, yes. Oh, magbe-vest muna ako. Sige, alis muna ako dito. Magbe-vest muna ako.
Sa mga nahuli nating mga fashioneers, yung pants na suot ni SG kanina, ito yung mga available colors niya. So we have the army green. Sobrang ganda. So ako, gusto ko itong color na ganito. So we have the army green with the black stripe. Ito yung available na pants. Straight leg po siya. Ito yung ating, ano ba tawag natin sa color na to? Terracotta?
Hindi, ginawa ko siyang tan.
Tan, tama. With the cream stripe.
Oo.
Yan. Ito yung ating tan. Then we have the brown. Brown with the tan stripe. Ito, very trendy itong color na to ngayon. Hindi nila pawalan.
Ako hindi ko na pawawalan. Eh, ang ganda na to.
Dress and vest.
No, I was referring to akala niyo skirt and vest. But it's actually a dress and a vest. So itong ating vest na to, it's also ultra stretch because it's the same material as our dress. And itong ating vest na to, it's only $499.95 and it opens all the way. So
May
pwede
size
siyang
available daw ba yung XL?
the vest.
Oo.
So we have the medium size and the XL size. So for the vest, ayan, I just want to show you that it opens all the way. So you can just wear it na naka-relax like this. Ayan.
So SG, itong vest na to, it's sold individually.
Yes.
Pero yung tela niya, exactly
It's the
the same
same.
as the dress. So they can actually buy it as a
So
set.
pwede nyo siyang i-mix and match talaga, di ba?
So, magkano yung total with the vest kung bibili ng dalawa?
Total with the vest, yes, I can do this. So, ang ating dress is $1,199.95. Sabihin na natin 1,200, di ba? And then, itong ating vest is $499.95. Sabihin na natin 500. So, magkano yun? So, it's 1,700 pesos for itong aking buong outfit na to. Ayan, biglang kinabahan, pero kinaya ko naman pala. So, itong ating mga tela na to, I would like to emphasize, it's ultra stretch. Kaya pag suot nyo siya, sobrang sarap sa katawan kasi kahit anong movement ang gawin natin, nagmo-move itong ating vest. So, hindi siya pipigil, di ba? So, you can even wear this dancing, itong ating vest and our dress.
So SG, pa-recap daw ng price ng vest.
Itong ating vest, we have two sizes available. We have the medium size and the XL size, and it's only $499.95 for both sizes. And then, since medyo malamig, di ba? Anong uso pagka malamig? Of course, we have to wear our hoodie. So, meron tayong mga special neoprene hoodie. Ito po sila. Na naka-discount siya talaga. Oh, it's 50% off. So, ito is unisex hoodie. Original price is 1,000 pesos. Pero ngayon po, it's only 500 pesos. And I think sobrang sulit tong ating mga hoodie na to. Kasi ito yung ating neoprene na digitally printed and very soft. So, we have for the Avery, tama ba yung pronunciation ko nun? Ito kasi may mga ibon-ibon na print. Itong hawak ko ngayon. We have the white color and the black color. Tapos, meron tayong another print. Ito naman yung ating abstract swirl in black and white. It's also 500 pesos. So, I think for the, pwede kong suotin tong white. With the skirt. With the dress. Yeah.
So habang nag-change kasi, kukusap ko sa kanila yung print para ma-appreciate naman nila. For the one you're wearing, two color siya. Ang susuotin mo is the white background. Para magka-idea kayo ng print, ito yung black background. But the print is the same. So meron siyang mga flower. And then meron siya nitong mga detail na very colorful birds. Para makita nila. So ayan yung kanya all over print. So, susuotin ni SG is the exact same. Only, ang difference na is the white background.
Ayun, cute na to, oh. Tapos pasilip-silip tong pleats.
And then the other one, ito, naging sobrang popular nitong ganitong black and white na parang swirly-swirl na print sa atin. So, sa mga mahilig na mga graphic design na black and white, ito yung option nyo.
Sobrang ganda niyan.
Diba? Tapos ano, uso-uso yung ganyan. So, bakit mahaba itong ating hoodie? Because it's unisex, di ba? And then, usong-uso nga yung mga boyfriend hoodies, boyfriend shirts, di ba? So, ito na yun. And yung itong pocket na to, it's actually it's real working pocket. Talagang pinakita pa, it's through and through. So, itong ating hoodie na to, 50% off. And it's only 500 pesos po ngayon. Kasi ang original price niya is 1,000 pesos. It's made out of our high-density, digitally printed neoprene fabric. So if I were you, I will get 2. Or 3. If you can't decide, just get 3. So itong ating neoprene na to, available in our online store and available in our Genevieve Cozum stores. And itong
50% off nga ba?
Yes. Di ka naniniwala.
Hindi nagtanong, parang...
Oh, yes. Yes, it's 50% off. Ang original price po niya is 1,000 pesos, but now it's only 500 pesos. And it's unisex. I think this could be like a couple hoodie. Diba? So, good idea. So, pwede kayong mag-black and white. Ito na abstract, or if you're going for yung mga illustrated, tapos may mga bird, ito, we have the white color and the black color available.
So, pwede mong bigyan kay
Ito.
try on the...
Anong kulay ang gusto nyong i-try?
Anong yung rust?
Rust naman, kasi
Sige, ito.
nauna na yung Pilipina, maganda yan. Kasi very warm yung undertone ng skin natin. Akala nila nakakailan, pero actually nakakaputi siya. So ito po yung detail ng ating parachute dress. Terracotta po itong itong pagka-brown nito. Meron siyang detail na very current, which is itong stopper sa waistband. Hilahin lang yan. It's a short dress, pero kahit simple lang na dress to, yung mga detalye niya, like pockets, yan, functional pockets meron siya. So this is the other color, which is the beige. So itong beige po na to, madilaw siya. So maganda rin sa skin tone nating mga Pilipinas. So ayan yung kanyang stopper. So yung stopper, parang humigpit siya, hilahin nyo lang. Pipindutin siya, tapos hihilahin. Yan, para umigsi. So, para maging fitted siya sa waist. And then, ito yung detail ng kanyang pocket. So meron siyang working pocket on both sides. Ang length niya, so measure ko para alam nila. So, measure mo. Pero hindi naman super iksi. Tama lang yung pagka-mini niya. Hindi siya micro-mini.
Hindi siya micro-mini.
Pwede yung suotin ni SG with pants.
Oo. Parang layering.
Yes. And ang maganda sa kanya kasi very light.
Ganda ng pagka-rust.
As if I'm not wearing anything.
Ayusin ko yung hang para pag may back.
Ay, ito. Ayan.
Sa mga medyo nahuli, yung cardigan po sa likod ni SG is only $499.95.
Ay, may pocket siya. I'm surprised may pocket siya. Why am I surprised?
Importante nga yung mga pocket sa fashion.
We're here in Genevieve Cozum. Inisip nila yan. So, itong ating dress na to, sabi nga ni Direk, itong ating mga stoppers dito sa waist, these are just not design elements. They're very functional kasi pwede nating i-adjust yung ating waistline. So, pwedeng sikipan. Yan. Hihilahin nyo lang na ganun. But if you want to make it looser, just press the button and then magiging loose siya. So, depende na yan, fashioneers, on how you want to wear itong ating dress. If you want it like just a boxy dress, pwedeng-pwede itong ating dress na to. And it's only yung chocolate brown na talagang usong-uso this year because the color of the year is chocolate mousse. So, ito yun.
So, we will show them two styling suggestions using the pants kanina and,
Ito.
and the denim.
And the denim, oo. Kasi pwede tayong, I wish you saw her face. Kasi, itong ating dress na to, for those days na gusto nyong naka-dress lang kayo, pwede, just wear it on its own. But another styling idea is we wear pants underneath. So, habang...
SJ, yung tanong nila before
Yes.
you change, hanggang ano daw pwedeng pagkasyahan yung dress na yan?
I think itong dress na to, ano siya eh,
Hanggang 35 waist, 40
Oo.
bust.
kasi pwede siyang mag-relax na gano'n. No? Tapos, very generous ang bust. So, I think kahit hanggang 40-inch bust line, kasya tong ating dress na to. And tingnan nyo, ganun kabilis lang i-adjust. Tapos, itong pag-gather, i-distribute lang natin manually. So, ito, neat, para makita nyo, another styling idea, just because it's a dress doesn't mean hindi nyo na siya pwedeng suotin.
The mocha detail. Yan. We have the olive green or army green with the black side stripe. And then, ito naman yung mocha with the cream. So, yan yung three options natin for the
Ay, maganda to.
shorts.
Yeah, that's so Japanese.
We are Japanese!
Alam
Oh no, ako na lang. So, never mind. I'm in my own world. So, itong ating dress, ayan, we matched it with our straight leg pants with the side stripe. And ang ganda niya, oh.
3 steps ahead ka na in fashion.
Yeah, so if you wear this, kayo na fashioneers, di ba? Very high fashion.
Ang ganda yan. So, pwede mong i-try,
Ito.
pwede yung choco brown.
Ito, pwede kasi parang monochromatic siya.
SJ, pwede siyang travel pieces para
Yes.
mix and match as wala nang plancha-plancha.
Big SG.
Sige.
Pwede mong yung mini maleta.
Ay, ayoko ng mini. Parang K-drama na isang mini lang tapos ang dami kong outfit. Oh, it's a magic maleta. So, ito. So, pwede nga nating i-partner with this choco brown pants. Itong ating choco brown din na dress. But if you want to go a little lighter, pwede rin tong almond beige.
Yeah.
Kasi lahat ng ating colors, dito sa pinapakita natin, more or less, they're in the same color family. So, we can really mix and match itong ating mga pants and dresses.
Yung military with the rust, that's so fall.
Ito.
Oo.
Yes.
Diba? Yung mga nakabili ng promo
Ayan.
tickets, you're traveling for
Oh,
fall.
fall. Parang gusto ko mag-travel ng fall. Kaya, bakit kailangan mag-post na gano'n? These are fall colors, di ba? Kasi papunta tayo ngayon sa mga darker tones habang nung mga spring and summer yan, very bright, ganyan, very vibrant. Ngayon naman, very deep ang mga colors ng mga fall and winter. So ito, pwede nyong i-partner itong rust with our hunter green. And kung gusto niyo naman, pwede rin dito sa... Actually, kahit ano pwede.
Oo.
Sa lahat pwede, oh.
mong mix and match.
Tapos, even dito sa ating beige, oh,
Yeah.
pwede talaga. Kasi ang ating mga color family, o mga colorway, they're very similar to each other. So, pwede natin talaga silang i-mix and match. Okay, if you want to go for lighter pants, ayan. Ang ganda nito, oh, Big Bossy, this is so you.
Talagang nanginginig pa.
Nanginginig pa, this is so you. Alam mo, ganun ba yung nararamdaman nyo when you find like a really nice outfit? Like, oh my God, it's so nice. Diba? So talagang minsan, you're just so happy because you're wearing something nice.
So yung flare cargo pants naman natin, denim pants, kung
Pwede
yung
rin.
partner mo.
So, kukunin ko yung ating favorite na flare cargo pants. Ito siya. Pakita ko muna. Itong ating cargo pants na to, all the pockets, itong sa legs, itong sa harap, sa likod, these are all working pockets and ultra stretch. Ayan. So, anong difference nitong ating ultra stretch denim from yung ating denim dress? Ito po siya. Isa na yung denim dress. Yung fabric nila are both ultra stretch. But the dress denim fabric is lighter than itong ating pants. Kasi itong ating pants, kailangan mas hardworking in the set. So, magkano ang ating set? Ang set po natin, original price is 2,600 pesos. Pero meron po siyang discount. For the set, it's only 1,900 pesos. And we have sizes available. We have the small, medium, and large size for our vest. Right? Check ko kung anong size na itong hawak ko. Kasi it looks a little big. Oh, it looks a little big.
Shopping ka na naman.
Nagsha-shopping na ako dito. Ayan. Ito yung kapartner niya. Ayan. So, pwedeng pakita ni Direct itong isang size.
Habang ito-change si SG, ito yung details ng ating cargo jeans. So, very trendy po ngayon ang cargo style. Ito yung close-up ng kanyang pocket. So, totoong cargo detail siya. Meron siya talaga ng gusset para mataba yung pocket. Kahit telepono, kahit 3 telepono, kasya dyan. So, ayan siya. Ito yung kanyang cargo. Hindi siya low waist, kaya nakakaipit talaga ng tiyan. And very stretchable ang tela, kaya talagang compressed ang dapat lahat like ng ating jeans. Kita niyo itong mga lines na ito, mga fashioneers. 1, 2, and 3. So, yun po yung ating shaping darts. So, kung ano yung shape ng ating mga mafa-flatter niya. So, hindi siya mafa-flat. Susunod siya sa shape ng katawan natin.
I like that.
Hindi siya mapa-flat.
Hindi siya ma-flat. Bawal siya ma-flat. Dapat siya ma-flatter. Tapos, a little bit flared ang kanyang hemline, ang kanyang leg. Kasi yun ang uso ngayon. So, very on trend ang ating cargo jeans with flared leg.
Ito, oh.
Ganda yan.
And, when you're taking a photo, don't forget, may pocket itong ating dress. Para yung kamay natin secure dito sa ating pockets. So, itong ating flared denim pants na ultra stretch, it comes with a vest. So, ang price po niya is 2,600 pesos, original price. But don't worry because meron po siyang discount. Now, it's only 1,900 pesos. So, right now, we're mixing and matching it with our parachute dress. Which is only, check na natin, 698. Fashioneers, if you want to tighten the waist, just press the button and press the button and pull or press the button and release to make it looser. And thank you for flying. Para talaga, feeling ko when I say that, no, para pwede na pala maging flight attendant. So, itong ating dress na to, kanina ko pa sinasabi, very light and sobrang comfortable niya. Parang wala kang suot. Kasi ganun siya ka-light itong ating fabric na to. And you can mix and match it with our denim pants or with our new jogger pants na may side stripe on the side. And then let's see if I can wear the vest with this outfit. Ano sa tingin mo, Big Bossy?
Tignan natin.
Tingnan natin. I think I will
Pwedeng
release.
go, pwedeng no, but we'll see.
Tingnan natin. Kaya that's how we learn, no? Mag-experiment tayo. Kung hindi, edi hindi.
It's just fashion. Oo.
Nice!
Woohoo!
I love it.
I'm so K-pop now ngayon, di ba? Or parang naging puff sleeve siya, oh. Yung aking sleeve.
So, fashioneers, sa mga nag-hesitate dun sa set na vest and pants,
Eto na siya.
marami siyang paggagamitan.
Oo. Alam mo, probably this is one of the best sets that we have for denim. Na you can wear with almost everything in your closet.
Kung mapapansin nila, yung flare bottoms is back.
Yes. And you know what's good? One good thing about flare bottoms, it gives us a nice shape, diba? And nakakatangkad siya. Like me, I don't have hips, pero biglang nag-flare na ganun sa legs, mas nagkakaroon ako ng shape. I'm just not a straight shape. I have a curvy shape because of the flare bottoms. So itong ating denim ultra stretch with the vest, ang price po niya is 1,900 pesos, while itong aking dress is 699.95. And then meron pa tayong yung regular shirts dito na gusto natin.
Or itong dress, SG. Habang pinapakita ko yung detail ng dress.
Ito muna. Kasi ito yung with bust pad.
Gusto nila to.
Na loose yan, ha?
First, yung mga fashioneers, SG. Ang maganda dito, ito yung ating very comfortable na rib fabric. Very relaxed fit. Ito yung cute detail niya sa side. So, meron siyang parang ayan yung naka-shape yung hemline niya. Tapos naka-corner naman yung harap. But ang secret niya is, meron na siyang built-in bust pad, mga fashioneers. So, you don't even need to wear a separate bra.
Oo.
Ayan na siya, nakakabit na. Yung shape ng bust pad niya, sobrang ganda. Very natural looking siya pag nakasuot, pero hindi naman garapal.
Yeah.
So ito yung, at saka hindi manipis tong tela, kita nyo naman, walang nakikita ang bakat ng ating bust pad. So ito yung front. You can see it from the side, may konting bump, yun po yung ating bust pad. And ito yung likod niya.
Ito. Papakita ko direct yung, anong size yung hawak mo, direct?
Excellent. This is a medium. Hindi ko pa nasabi yung size.
Oh, medium ng suit ko.
Wow, medyo
Wow!
Sana extra mo. But fashioners, we can't have everything. So we have to do it through fashion, di ba? With built-in bust pad. So ito, wala akong
Bra.
Wala akong bra. Kasi I trusted the built-in bust pad. So ito siya, ang ganda nung kanyang shape. So we have the medium size, we have the white and the pink color for $499.95, while we have the XL size available in pink and in the tan color for $599.95. And ang maganda sa kanya, this is our ribbing fabric na mas malalaki yung pagka-ribbing niya so you can see the texture of the fabric and it's stretchable. And one thing I like about this shirt, with the built-in bust pad, parang first time tayong nag-introduce ng loose.
So,
Diba?
recap daw, SG na
Easy fit.
ng price and color.
So the price for the medium size is $499.95, while the price for the XL size is $599.95. So ito po yung mga colors available. For the medium size, we have white and pink available, and for the XL size, we have the pink and the tan color available. And I just want to point out, etong ganun, ano bang tawag dyan?
side detail.
Ayun, sa side detail, yan ang secret, kaya ang fitting natin is just loose and slim. Itong
Ganda.
side detail niyan. And ang maganda dito, ang gusto ko sa kanya kasi, I know you cannot have enough of that, but this time, it has a built-in bust pad, kaya hindi na tayo kailangan mag-worry kung anong underwear ang susuotin natin. Just literally put it on, and then you're ready to go. And one thing, itong ating bust pad, gusto ko lang ipakita. Dito na lang sa white para mas makita nila. Ayan. Ang ganda ng shape niya. Ayan yung shape niya, oh. Hindi siya yung parang triangle lang or half
Bilog na bilog.
Bilog na bilog. So it's really has a shape. Meron siya talagang left and right side. Kasi yung ating bust, syempre may left and right side din, di ba? Kaya pag sinuot natin, natural lang ang shape ng ating bust. So for the medium size, it's $499.95, while the XL size is $599.95. Ayan. So, ano pa bang papakita natin?
Marami daw dress, SG, na very figure-friendly.
yes. Yes, yung ating dress.
So habang mag-change ka ba, SG?
Nakita mo na lang sa choco.
Dito ako sa beach.
So habang nag-change ka, SG, pakita ko lang ulit sa kanila itong pads. Ito, fashioners. Kung di pa kayo nakatry ng ganitong klaseng t-shirt, usually kasi pag to with sleeve siya, so it's a very easy, loose fit, t-shirt with built-in bust pads. Meron po siyang medium size and XL size. This is the XL at $599.95. And then, ito po yung medium at $499.95. Yan. So, yung susunod naman nating papakita na sinusuot ni SG ngayon is this dress. Very figure-friendly. Ako meron na akong ganito in a different fabric. Ito po yung close-up detail niya para ma-appreciate nyo. Meron siya nitong pom-pom detail sa neckline. And then sobrang figure-friendly. But if you want to add a shape, pwede naman lagyan ng belt. Meron din siyang pocket. Favorite natin yan. So may pocket siya. And then sa hemline, sa last ruffle niya, meron na naman siya nitong ating pom-pom detail. So, yun yung close-up ng ating pom-pom detail. Yung ating tela nito is yung favorite ng mga fashioners na napaka-presko na organic linen fabric with that texture. Ayan yung close-up niya. Medyo crinkle siya. So, hindi na siya kailangan planchahin. Pag natuyo na
Juice. Meron tong black and white, but we don't have it here in the studio. Nakita ko kanina.
So, nasa stores.
hindi na umabot.
Nasilip ko siya. I think it's in our Genevieve Gozum stores.
Oh, that's so nice. Add to cart ko na yun.
Pang easy weekend wearing.
Oh, diba? It deserves a nice twirl.
So, one size lang siya.
One size only kasi as you can see, parang ano siya, loose fitting. And it can fit up to medium to to XL.
Alam mo, pag ano ka, pregnant mom na transition na hanggang malaki
Ito
siya,
na.
pwede yan.
Oo.
Post
Ito na rin. Suot mo na rin.
Hanggang bumalik ka sa dati mong size, yun na rin.
O ngayon, kung
One-stop
masyado
dress.
silang
One-stop dress.
naluluwagan, let's say naluluwagan sila, gusto na lagyan ng shape.
Ito. Siyempre, we always have our trusty, stretchy, organic belt. Ito na kasi itong ating organic belt, di ba?
$199 na lang ba yan?
I think naka 200 pesos. Oh, 199 siya. You just put it there. Ayan.
So, ayusin mo.
Eh, kung nakakita siya. Ayan. So, meron na siyang shape ngayon.
Pwede naman nila i-blouse ng konti SG kung ayaw
Ayan.
nila ng ano,
Ayan.
masyadong.
Ayan.
Yan, very easy lang.
Ang cute niya, oh. You can wear it on its own, add shape, or itong ating organic belt for $199.95. So, itatakin ko lang yung dulo para, as I twirl, it's not going all over the place. Itong ating stretchy organic belt. So, syempre, itong ating dress, it has pocket. So, sabi nga ni Direk, itong tela na to, this is our organic linen with the texture. And what comes with the texture? Wash and wear. You only have to hang it ng maganda na ganyan. Tapos, the more texture that comes out, that's what we like because the better na mas nakikita itong texture sa ating dress na to. And it comes in 4 colors. So, we have itong beige, itong chocolate brown, and then available also in black and white. But the black and white, we don't have in our Genevieve Gozum store. So, bukas na bukas, fashioneers, pumunta na kayo sa SM North EDSA because the Great Northern Sale is happening right now until tomorrow where you can regular items, 1,000 and above, you can avail of the 20% off. And then if you want like really, really great deals, they have items that are up to 70% off. So, you just have to go and visit our Genevieve Gozum store in SM North EDSA. Ito. This is a regular item, by the way.
How much daw yan, SG?
So, magkano ba to? Bakit wala siyang price? I think this is 1.5.
Yes.
Parang walang
conviction.
Walang conviction. Okay, let me get back to you.
Papost natin.
Kasi wala siyang
Papost natin in our Facebook, Instagram.
Oh, tatawagan ko muna ang ating Genevieve Gozum store and I will confirm.
So, ganun siya kabago.
Yes, ganun siya kabago itong ating dress na to. So, thank you, Fashioneer, for completing my week. Kasi nag-mix and match tayo ngayong Saturday night. So, like, follow, and share Genevieve Gozum, your partner in style.